Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the GIF onto your device and making sure the Shortcuts app can access it. Once done, open Shortcuts and create or import a reliable Convert GIF to Live Photo workflow. Make sure the GIF is full resolution so the live photo won't be pixelated. You want the shortcut to accept a file from Photos or Files. This is the first actionable step. Run the shortcut with your GIF chosen and prepare to set duration and frame options in the next step. Once the shortcut receives the GIF, you'll pick conversion settings. Set a sensible duration, like 3 seconds, and choose the best keyframe for the still image that shows when not animating. Make sure to set an appropriate frame rate so motion remains smooth. A higher FPS preserves fluidity but increases file size. If available, enable looping to mimic the GIF behavior. The shortcut then renders an hike live photo file. Save that to Photos so it can be used as wallpaper or exported. Finish by saving the new live photo to your Photos library and previewing it by pressing and holding the image. To use it as wallpaper, choose Set Lock Screen and make sure Live Photo is selected so the press triggers animation. If it doesn't animate, make sure Low Power Mode is off, Live Photo is enabled, and the file was saved as a live photo hike. If problems persist, rerun conversion with slightly longer duration or a lower frame rate to improve compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.